Today I have a wonderful newer home tour for you right here in Sultan, Washington. This property that sits behind me here was recently built in 2023 by Lennar. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath house, and it's 1940 square feet. Let's get into it. Today we're out in Wyndham, Highlands community taking a look at Lennar's Chardonnay floor plan. This home is a practical, low maintenance home that gives you more flexibility than you might expect. It offers just under 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a loft upstairs, and a layout that feels designed around how people actually live day to day. There is the powder room right there, and then up front is the coat closet. Notice this long entryway, but it has lots of natural light that flows from the front of the home all the way to the back here, and then it really opens up into this really rather large kitchen for the space here. You also have this whole extra eating area right here used for dining, and you do have a pantry as seen right there. Off of there is also the living room, so you can fit a nice full-size fridge in here or swap it for a counter depth fridge. Plenty of cabinetry space here. They did not cheap out on how much cabinetry is here. Also notice the nice quartz countertops. We've of course got soft close drawers here, and then I love the pattern in this quartz, by the way. And then you also have a really nice gas stove, Frigidaire and microwave combination there. This floor plan's just a few years old, being built in the later half of 2023 as well. One could also give consideration to adding under cabinet lighting if you want to upgrade the kitchen even further, but I think the look speaks for itself. I also really like this under mounted sink. It's nice and large here, and again, I love all the natural light that flows from those windows. You also got these nice deep drawers here. Notice the child safety locks on here because this is a lived-in home. You know, kitchen naturally becomes the hub of this home. Now this flooring you see here I believe is LVP, but you also have laminate, ceramic tile, and wall-to-wall carpet all throughout this property. Speaking of the kitchen though, I think buyers are becoming more aware of how important workflow is in a kitchen. It's not just about finishes anymore, it's about how the space functions, and this layout keeps everything within easy reach while still giving you enough room to spread out when you're cooking or entertaining. And stepping outside here, you've got a fully fenced backyard, which is a feature a lot of buyers specifically ask for, whether that's kids, pets, gardening, or simply wanting a little privacy. Having a fenced space already in a place is a huge plus. It's also manageable. You're not spending your entire weekend maintaining a giant yard, which fits nicely with the overall low maintenance theme of this home. I was actually just feeling that cement plank exterior of the property. I really love the cement plank product as the exterior of a home. And taking a look at this rather generously sized family room or great room, if you will, you're never isolated from the rest of the house, whether you're relaxing in this living room, helping homework at the dining table, or putting dinner together in the kitchen. This isn't one of those floor plans where you have huge spaces that don't really get used. Every square foot feels intentional. You can easily imagine a normal Tuesday evening here just as much as holiday gatherings for this space. Also notice the curved corners. I've been seeing those come back over the past few years in some of the recent new builds. Lennar's no exception to that trend. And you also have a walk-in pantry here. Decently sized, but you definitely could put a lot of stuff in here, as you can see. Speaking of Lennar has become one of the largest home builders in the country, and one thing they've consistently focused on is creating floor plans that maximize functionality. Walk through this home, you can see that philosophy throughout this design. The spaces are efficient, storage is thoughtfully incorporated, and the layout adapts well to a variety of lifestyles. Also, really love the thick padding that they have on this carpet. Carpet's holding up nicely after a few years too, so I like to show off the details. Even though this property is properly lived in, it's very well maintained, and it will be hard to find anything that's majorly wrong with this property. Now let's talk about this loft for a second. If there's one room that really adds versatility to the floor plan, it's that loft right there. And honestly, what this space becomes depends entirely on your lifestyle. Maybe it's a home office, maybe it's a media room, maybe it's a homework area, a playroom, a workout space, or even a secondary living room. The nice thing is you don't have to decide today. Life changes, needs change, and a flexible space like this allows the home to evolve with you over time. Okay, now let's talk about this primary bedroom. At the end of the day, the primary suite feels like a comfortable retreat from the rest of this home. There's plenty of room here for a full bedroom setup while still maintaining an open feel. And one of my favorite features is actually the storage. You have an oversized closet in here in the primary ensuite bath, and it gives you significantly more space than many buyers expect, especially for a home under 2,000 square feet. It's another example of this floor plan focusing on practical livability rather than just visual impact. Also, we are checking out a really nicely sized bathroom ensuite here. I would love to know in the comments below what you would use this wall adjacent to the vanities here, double vanity sinks. Again, plenty of natural light flowing through here, but again, I'm more excited about the closet. I'll show you. It sort of just wraps around here. As we check out the closet, let me talk a bit more about the Sultan community if you're unfamiliar. One of the biggest reasons people move to Sultan isn't just the homes, it's the lifestyle. Sultan sits in a gateway to the Cascades, as it's well known for, surrounded by rivers, mountain views, hiking trails, and year-round outdoor recreation. If you're someone who enjoys getting outside, you're in a pretty incredible location. Wallace Falls is just minutes away. Stevens Pass is within easy reach for skiing and mountain biking. And if you've ever wanted quick access to weekend adventures without spending hours in the car, Sultan makes that surprisingly easy. At the same time, you're not disconnected from everyday conveniences. Highway 2 runs right through town, giving you easy access to local restaurants, shopping, and services. And Monroe is only about 15 minutes away for large retail options, and commuters can still reach Everett in roughly 30 minutes, and Seattle, Washington in about an hour depending on traffic. Now, it could be much worse if you try to go during peak rush hour, but let's be honest, if you're living in Sultan, Washington, you're probably not picking a commute into downtown Seattle as your daily drive. For a lot of people, this is an appeal. You get to come home to a quieter pace of life without feeling isolated, and you get way more bang for your buck in a suburb like Sultan, Washington, as compared to some of the more prominent east side cities as you get closer to the 405 corridor or even in downtown Seattle. Now, I know I blew past it earlier, but how practical is it having that laundry room right off of the main bedroom there? It's one of those things that doesn't sound exciting until you've carried baskets of laundry up and down stairs for a few years. It's probably one of the top 10 most popular features that I have buyers request or think about when they're looking to buy a home is, I want my laundry placed on the same level that I'm actually have my bedrooms on. It can make a huge difference, especially for those that have lived in homes like that. Also note here that all of these guest bedrooms, if you will, have walk-in closets as well, which is a huge feature for a house this size. You don't get that many sub 2,000 square foot homes where every additional bedroom comes with its own walk-in closet. Also note the mechanics closet right here. This is where the HVAC system is. It's super quiet with the door shut, and it's actually not that loud at all, even with the door open. And as you could currently see, this loft, I talked about it earlier, but you get stunning views from these front bedrooms and loft windows here. I have on the listing, currently selling it, I'm the listing agent as well. And we have some really nice shots of the Cascades that you can see right from these windows here. But this loft section, again, I can't stress enough, if you're someone that's going to be working from home, that could be another good option as making it like a flex space. A lot of people, when they are working, they kind of want some natural light coming in to, you know, fight against that seasonal affective disorder that some people claim to have in the greater Seattle area with as much rain as we get. Now the garage here, I'm not going to do my typical garage door test because as you see, the seller is in the process of moving out, but it is a nicely sized 2-car garage, generously sized, and you have some extra storage space there. Again, here is the front closet. I always joke in my videos, this is where you're gonna put or store the fake Christmas tree if you have one and you celebrate Christmas. But more than not, let's check out the powder room back here. Now, if you'd like more information about this home, Wyndham, Highlands, or any other new construction opportunities throughout Snohomish County in the greater Seattle area, feel free to reach out. My team and I tour new communities every week, and we're always happy to help buyers compare builders, floor plans, incentives, and locations. But this one specifically as a resale, it is a really nice Lennar resale. Again, built in 2023. I think this one's gonna go rather quickly based on seeing what else has been selling in the community. But please feel free to reach out to me if you'd like to see it in person. It's still available. I would love to show this one to you. And there you have it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this beautiful home tour here in Sultan, Washington. Again, my name's Aaron Morrow, local realtor here in the greater Seattle area. I've been working with buyers, sellers, and investors in King, Pierce, and Snohomish counties for well over a decade now. If you're looking to make your move over here to the greater Seattle area in the next 9 days or 9 months, or you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to show you how I can make your next move a smooth one. And of course, if you're looking for some more property tours or you'd like to hear what others have said about working with me, look somewhere on the screen right here. And of course, until next time, I hope to be showing you some more property tours, and please subscribe to me for more real estate shenanigans. Have a great day.